The weather, well, I grew up in Idaho and I spent some time in Utah before my mission, and it's really similar. It has all 4 seasons. The fall is really beautiful, and the winter gets cold. I don't think it's quite like people think it is when they first hear Ukraine, like, oh, it's really cold there, right? Like, well, it's just as cold as, Idaho or Utah, just a little more humid because it's right there by the Black Sea. But there were a couple extremes. When I was down in Odessa by the Black Sea in the winter, and this was the coldest I ever heard it getting there. It was while I was there. It was only for a couple days too. It got down to like -30 Celsius, which is around -20 Fahrenheit, which is the coldest I've ever experienced. And we tried to go out and like knock on doors, and people were like, "You are crazy." And we thought maybe they'd have some sympathy and let us in, but that didn't really help our cause any more than it usually would. But yeah, in the summers it gets hot, it gets humid, and so there wasn't a huge adjustment I had to make as far as climate goes.